Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee for selling. First, ensure you have all the required business licenses and health permits. This is crucial for legal operation and customer safety. Next, focus on sourcing high-quality coffee beans from reputable suppliers. Consistency in your product starts with excellent ingredients. Finally, invest in commercial-grade brewing equipment to handle volume and maintain a consistent, delicious taste for every cup you serve. Achieving a great cup of coffee starts with the grind. Always grind your beans fresh, just before brewing, to preserve their aromatic oils and flavor. The water quality is equally important. Use filtered water heated to around 200 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal extraction. Finally, maintain a consistent coffee-to-water ratio, typically 1:16, to ensure a balanced and flavorful brew every single time. Presentation matters just as much as taste. Serve your coffee in clean, appropriate cups, ensuring secure lids for customers on the go. Provide a variety of milk options, including both dairy and popular non-dairy alternatives, to cater to all preferences. Most importantly, train your staff thoroughly on proper pouring techniques and, crucially, on delivering excellent customer service to create a welcoming and memorable experience. To grow your coffee business, develop a unique brand identity and a consistent marketing message that resonates with your target audience. Actively engage with your community through social media and by participating in local events to build a loyal customer base. And while you're enjoying your perfectly brewed coffee, perhaps with a great book, remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.